Have you ever thought about what true purity is for us? True purity for us is outer and inner, the soul and heart and the body. Outer purity is staying away from things such as urine or feces or semen or blood, and keeping them away from your hands, your body, your clothes, and places that you pray. Imagine if you were God and an unclean person were talking to you. You'd be less likely to talk to them and respect them as a person. It goes the same way for friends. If you have a friend that is unclean, you don't want to be around him as much as somebody else that is perfectly clean, would you? This is why cleaning yourself from the outside is so important when talking with God or even talking with anybody. A way that you could clean yourself is called Wudu. It is the act of cleaning the body with water so that you can talk to God and pray to Him. There's also another type of purity, inner purity, the purity of the heart and of the soul. A way that you can keep yourself on track and make sure that it is clean is to make sure that you stay away from sins such as envy, greed, sloth, lust, any of those things. If you stay away from those, your heart and your soul will get more purified, in a sense. Another thing is having shallow attachments, such as money or greed or even power. These things are respecting the creation instead of the creator. You focus less on God and more on stuff that He has created, such as money or personal belongings, such as objects. These things can devalue God and just make you see what's inside of this world, even though there is more after this world. It's like looking into a mirror that is unclean. The unclean part is your soul. You have to clean the mirror of dust and filth so that you can see clearly, so that you can see everything clearly. If it is not clean, you might make bad decisions and do bad things for the people around you and yourself. This is why understanding purity for us is so important, so that you can understand every single step of the way to becoming completely pure and clean. Thank you.